minor detour for this thing. Alright, I should have taped the assembly. It wasn't as easy as I thought, but it wasn't that hard either. You basically just open it up and put the hammock part in. And then we flip the camera. Oh, crushing my hand, my hat. But you got a little top, and you're in it like a canopy. So I did feel like I need to stretch my legs out at camp, but I wanted one of those. We went to Walmart to try to get one of those chairs that have like a lever and pick up your legs, but we couldn't find that. So we found this, and yeah, I don't know, it's taking up a lot of room in the camp, but let me get some more video footage of it. I weigh like 250. It says the max is 250, so it looks like it worked out. So let me get some better footage of it. That's the thing. Supposed to sit in it like that, or like it's like a hammock basically. I like the little top thing, but yeah. All right. Struggling with this fire under here. It's already dark, so. Huh? Yeah, it took a little bit though. Too much smoke.